If you want to add widgets to the home screen on Samsung Galaxy A27, what you can do is you can simply press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen. After that, once you open this editing menu, then at the bottom you should be able to find the widgets option. So you can go over here. You might find a couple of suggestions at the top, which you can use straight away, or you can scroll down and you can see the list of apps that you have installed that offer you some widgets. So let's say I'm gonna go to digital well-being as an example, and over here I'm gonna choose one of these widgets. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. You can tap on the widget to find the add button, which you can use, or you can press and hold your finger on the widget and then you can just place it anywhere you want it to be added. So let's say I'm gonna drop it over here. In some cases, you can also resize a widget. Usually after adding it, we have these lines. You can grab by any of these corners and you can, for example, extend the size of a widget. In some cases, resizing is limited and you can only set up specific sizes, or maybe you can, for example, change the width or height only. And in some cases, resizing is not possible at all. Most of the time, you can also press and hold your finger on the widget in order to find these lines again that allow you to resize a widget. What you can also do is you can press and hold your finger on an app on the home screen that has widgets. So if you are certain that a specific app has widgets and you want to use those widgets, press and hold your finger on the app. And then over here we have the widgets option. And then you will see only widgets that are provided by this selected app. And then you can do exactly the same thing as before in order to add a widget. And you should be able to do exactly the same thing from the app drawer. So if you don't have an app on the home screen, you can go to the app drawer, press and hold your finger on an app, and then you have the widgets option, and you can add a widget to the home screen. If there is no widgets option, then it means that simply this specific app does not have widgets available for you to use. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.